Here are the starters for your Dallas Mavericks. At forward, at center, Ray LaFrance. At the other forward,
now it's time to get things underway. Bob, you looking forward to this one?
You bet I am. We're in for quite a game.
Pass to Davis. O'Neal, pump fake. Now that's what I call a power jam.
The assistant, Richard Lewis.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. He swats the ball. To O'Neal, pump fakes. Sends it to Davis. Passes off to Lewis. Looks at a three. Got it.
Tracy McGrady for three. The assist to number 7, Richard Lewis.
You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. Finley drains the two.
Finley.
Davis will bring it up court. Back to Davis. Lewis from the low post.
Out of bounds, Orlando ball.
He fakes the shot. To O'Neal.
Baron Davis has great court vision, but court vision translates to plenty of assists out there.
Steal. Orlando with the quick transition on offense.
Baron
The
Davis.
defense evaporated on that play.
The other team was able to run the ball up quick for a basket.
Nash shoots a high percentage from outside. Look for him to take a couple of threes tonight.
McGrady picks up the defensive foul.
To number 1, Tracy McGrady.
Finley
That's
to the
his
line,
first
shooting two.
Team foul, number 1.
Foul shot, no good. Makes the foul shot. With a nice shot fake to Lewis. To McGrady. Sends it to Lewis. He threw that one down hard.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
The defense hates to get caught up by those isolation plays.
With his scoring ability, you've got to think of double team. But he can also beat you with the pass.
O'Neal with a defensive foul.
Shooting
This
two
isn't
for
what the defense
Dallas
wanted to do.
This is one player who loves to get a chance at the line.
The Mavericks cut the lead to 4. To O'Neal. To McGrady. Davis, good fake. If you let Shaq get position on you, the play's over. The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Finley misfired. Hadger takes it hard to the rack. To Weber. The fake. Stolen. To Nash. The three. It's good. Davis has to get there quicker to prevent the other team from getting those easy scores. Nash with the interception. One-on-one, this player's hard to stop. Puts up the jumper.
Defensive foul to number 7.
Hadget goes to the line,
Lewis.
shooting two. Sinks it. Misses. Nowitzki with the offensive rebound.
They need to recognize that they're dealing with some exceptional scoring talent.
I'm not sure how they're going to shut him down, Bob.
It's going to be tough,
2
but it
minutes
can
left
be
in
done.
the first quarter.
He rolls for the pass after the pick and got it.
Nowitzki made his first All-Star appearance in the 2001-2002 season. Yes!
The shooting doctor is in.
And you don't need an appointment to see him. To Davis. When T-Mac gets the ball, you can feel the electricity in the air.
These fans know he's a highlight waiting to happen.
The three! Nash gets it. He was out of control that time.
This team can't afford to have him on the floor if he's going to make mistakes like that.
He takes it to the rack. Knocks out the shot.
If they can keep getting good looks down low, this is going to be an easy game for them.
Lewis makes the lay-in.
Lewis, the assist to number 4, Chris Webber.
From downtown, Nowitzki with the offensive board. He sets it up on the left side. With a nice shot fake, dishes off to Lewis.
C-Web's the complete package. He's got skill, speed, strength, and size.
Pass to Davis, to Lewis. Takes the three-pointer, knocks down the three.
The assist to number 1, Aaron Davis.
His man sent a nice pick, and he showed his appreciation with that pass on the roll.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Steal. Orlando is showing us their running game right now. That's 9 points for the former second-round pick. For 3 points. Nope. After one, Orlando is ahead 20. After one quarter, they're down on the scoreboard, Bob. How do you turn this around?
They need to take more high-percentage shots down, and that means kicking the ball down low in the paint.
Fakes it. No good. Lewis collects the rebound. Davis sets up the offense. Dishes off to Webber. Sends it to Davis with the fake. Takes the shot. Lewis buries the jumper. That's 11 points for the fifth-year veteran. The Magic lead by 5. Lewis grabs it. To Webber with a nice shot there. That was an unbelievable 180 dunk. The Magic are up by 7.
Shaquille O'Neal.
Goes up. O'Neal boards it. Orlando runs the ball right back up court. The Mavericks give up another.
Down in situations like that, don't start jawing at the ref. Get yourself back on D.
Pull the trigger. He hits the shot.
The assist to number 34, Scott Patrick.
To Davis. To McGrady with a nice shot fake. Powers it down with a two-handed jam.
The assist
The Magic lead by 9.
Aaron Davis into the game for the Mavericks.
Next will bring it up court.
Adrian Griffin.
When they spread their offense, it gives him the room he needs to operate.
Really makes a tough draw on the defender.
Dishes off to Davis. To T-Mac. To Davis. With a nice shot fake. Nowitzki is whistled for the defensive foul. Free throws are such an important part of this game, but some players just can't hit them.
You got to think maybe it's the pressure of being out there by themselves.
Sinks it. He couldn't keep the ball in play.
It looked like he tripped over his own feet that time.
There's the elevation.
He's got some lift.
That's 7 points for the former first-round pick. Davis is called for the defensive foul.
To number 1, Baron Davis. That's his first personal team foul, number 1.
You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. Now that's what I call a power jam. Dallas is trailing by 8.
Assist to Steve Nash.
Webber with the fake. To Webber. To McGrady. Now that's what I call a power jam.
Shaquille O'Neal. The assist to Tracy McGrady.
Foul, that's a foul.
This is a matchup they can take advantage of.
That's why we're seeing the isolation. He strokes it and comes up with another basket.
Back to Davis. Coming down hard with a tomahawk jam.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
Nash sets it up on the right side. Fakes the shot. 3. Dallas narrows the gap to 7. He pump fakes to Lewis, to Shaq. Passes off to Lewis. No. Bradley grabs it. Dallas wants to push it. Nash launches a three. McGrady grabs it. To Seaweb. The tomahawk jam. Grace and power. The Magic are up by 9. He'll bring it up court. Looks at 3. He buries the jumper.
For 3. The assist to number 13.
To Weber.
Steve Nash.
To the Diesel. Sends it to Lewis. McGrady takes it hard to the rack.
Orlando love to turn steals in the fast break point.
Griffin leaves his feet. To T-Mac. To T-Mac. Pass to Lewis. Up fake. Lays it in.
If you want to stop an athlete like that, you've got to work together.
That's a lesson they're starting to learn.
For the Dallas Mavericks, number 31, Nick Van Exel.
They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Strips the ball. Takes the jumper. Abdul Wahab picks up the defensive foul. Orlando on a 6-zip run. McGrady can get a lot of points this way.
For Dallas, number 45, Ray LaFrance.
Gets it.
Let's get one here.
LaFrance looks for 3. Orlando playing the transition game. Passes off to Lewis. Swatted away by Nowitzki. Batted away by T-Mac. Looks at the 3. At halftime, the Magic lead the Mavericks 45-32. After one half of play, Bob, what do you see them doing to get back into this one?
Better shot selection, Don. Too many times in the first half, these guys just settle for the first shot they saw.
And let's see if they're able to move things around more inside. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. That gives him 8 points.
You got your glasses.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Finley brings the jumper. He's now got 10 points. To Lewis. Fake. Steal. Passes off to Nash. Pass to Padgett. Unloads a 3.
Out of bounds. Mavericks
When a
ball.
call goes against you, it's only natural you want your day in court.
Well, this guy's got his chance right now, but I don't think it's going to change anything.
Davis with the defensive foul.
To number 1, Baron Davis. That's the
With the jumper.
He's got to get some help out there.
To Lewis. Back to O'Neal. Dishes off to Lewis. Passes off to O'Neal. To the Diesel. That was a slick two-handed jam.
The assistant, number 1.
Time to make a stand.
If they don't, I'm not going to want to look at the fourth quarter.
He saw that the screener rolled open and dropped him a dime. Nash with the J. What can they do to slow down this offense?
They need to pressure the ball handler the second he crosses half court.
To Shaq. Pass to Weber. Rejected. Gives it off to Nash. To LaFrance. Nash wants to try and work it into the post here. LaFrance puts up the shot. Passes off to McGrady. Sends it to Lewis. Finger roll. You know, Bob, if this were a game of horse, that's got to be an H.
Yeah, you got that right.
To Finley. He is such a tough assignment on defense.
And when he can work you into a one-on-one showdown, you know he's going to cross you up.
To McGrady. There's the fake. Now that's what I call a power jam. That's 16 points for the 6-year veteran. He'll bring it up court. player's hard to stop. Pass to Packende. He pump fake.
Out of bounds. Dallas ball.
9 on the shot clock. To Webb.
Tracy McGrady. The assist to Chris Webber.
They came up with a big steal that time.
The tomahawk jam, grace and power. That's an 8-zip run. The Magic are ahead by 19. He fakes to go. Launches the three.
If you want to win, you cannot play slack defense against a guy with his range.
Pass to Webber. Finley is whistled for the defensive foul.
Number 4, Michael Finley. In the last quarter.
Foul shot is good. Foul shot is no good. Paget grabs it. He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
LaFrance unloads. The Mavericks reduce the lead to 15. To O'Neal. To McGrady. With a nice shot fake. Puts up the tray. No. Nowitzki grabs the rebound. To Dirk. For 3 points. Got it.
His ability to hit those shots is going to determine the outcome.
To Webb. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. That gives him 9 points. This player definitely has the skills to create for himself.
And that's why he wants the ISO.
To McGrady. To Davis. Back to McGrady. Dishes off to McGrady. Steal.
Get the ball back.
Finley puts it up. O'Neal grabs it. Orlando in transition. What a beautiful play. The perfect alley-oop. That's 17 points for the former second-round pick. He sets up the offense.
Coming up right.
Takes the three-pointer. He drains the shot for 3. The quarter draws to a close.
And these guys are going to try to add one more to the scoreboard.
No.
Ejected time.
Finley puts it up. He buries it.
Finley. The assist to number 13, Steve Nash.
You got to keep your eyes open out there.
Out of bounds.
Even if the
Dallas
band
ball.
pass, you see if they're aware of it, they can play for it.
At the end of the third quarter, the Magic lead the Mavericks. They've got the lead, Bob, but I'm thinking they shouldn't take anything for granted right now.
No way. When you look at some of the scores on the other team's roster, you know they can get the job done.
Dumps it into Webber. Nowitzki is called for the defensive foul.
The assist to Shaquille O'Neal.
You put him on the line and he'll connect.
And if you watch his release, you'll know why.
He's 2 for 3 from the line. Anytime he can get the isolation, his eyes light up. I don't think he realized where he was until it was too late, Robert.
And the only reason he figured it out was because he heard the referee's whistle.
Back to Davis. Pass to O'Neal. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. Orlando increases their lead to 16.
That player has quick hands and sticky fingers.
McGrady with the spin move. This team has been able to convert a lot of shots in this game. That's a 7-0 run. He sets it up on the right side. If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Lewis with the board. Orlando is running the floor tonight. Takes his jumper. Off the mark. Griffin pulls it down. Nash makes the finger roll. That's 16 points for the former first-round pick. To Webb with a nice shot fake. He threw that one down hard. The Magic are up by 18. Davis picks up the defensive foul.
To number 1, Baron Davis. Into the game for the Mavericks. Number 31, Nick Van Exel.
Hooks a three. Up with the shot. Davis with the offensive board. Up for the layup. That gives him 10 points.
No way. That's a foul.
The Magic are using a lot of energy on defense.
They might need a breather soon.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
You gotta watch that player when he isolates his man. Nowitzki with the shot. He's red hot with 18 points. To Webb. Sends it to Lewis. Just a beautiful double pump jam. He's on a tear with 19 points. Van Exel fires. He buries the three. The Mavericks cut the lead to 19. To T-Mac. To O'Neal. He fakes the shot. To T-Mac. Pass to Davis. Dishes off to McGrady. He doesn't get the basket. Griffin grabs it. That was a sick two-handed jam. That gives him 14 points. Dallas narrows the gap to 17. Griffin with the interception.
Into the game for Dallas. Number 34, Scott Hatchett. And number 45, Rafe LaFrance.
Looks at three. He hits it. He has 9 points. That's an 8-0 run.
Nick Van Exel.
To Lewis. Pump fakes. To Davis. To Shaq. To Weber. With the layup. They couldn't prevent the score.
No question. That time the defense got broke.
Dishes off to Padgett. LaFrance takes the pass in the paint. LaFrance takes the pass. Pass to Padgett. Nowitzki with the shot. O'Neal boards it. That gives him 7 rebounds. Nails the chase. It's almost like the defense isn't there.
He's unstoppable right now.
Nash. The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Strips the ball. He runs with it. Mr. High Riser. He sure threw that one down with authority. That's a 6-0 run.
Well, I can't recall the last time I saw a game this one-sided.
I think it was that time you and me went one-on-one last week.
Hey, I thought you had a no-dunking rule, Robert.
Nah, you were born with a no-dunking rule, all right?
To Nash.
Come on, man.
That was pretty.
That's the kind of play they're going to need from him, Don.
To O'Neal. Gives it off to Davis. In to O'Neal. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. The Magic lead by 20. Rejects it. The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Got it. He leads the team with 21 points.
Scott Hatchett.
Stop him, man.
Dishes off to Lewis. To T-Mac. He pump fakes.
What? Nothing there.
To Davis. To O'Neal.
Shot clock.
To McGrady. Gives it off to Lewis. For 3 points. No. Tonight's final score. The Magic 85. The Mavericks 68.